Y'all are so quiet.
It is a spectacular day today.
It is. It's nice and cool. Y'all just taking it in, enjoying it, I guess.
Yeah. The smell is spectacular. I love fall. Fall's my favorite season.
Oh, yeah.
Like the spring, you know, summer's coming. Fall, you've got Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas all lined up. Probably sucks for people who have back families.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why I don't like it. You're probably, I never even thought about that, but I probably have more bad memories in this time of year. When it gets like real cold and everybody has to stick together.
Well, it's like, it's one of the worst times of the year in terms of, like injuries and things.
Oh, yeah?
Because people get in fist fights more often. They get together with relatives they don't really like. They drink too much, they eat too much, and that's too much. Well, you know it's a brawl.
You would think an overabundance of food would would pacify people.
You would think that. And Marcus, quick reminder, which brake is my front and which one's my back?
Left is front, right is back. And in most situations, you want to make sure you have your fingers on a finger on the brake.
Yeah. Well, that's how I'm
Okay.
But if I have to brake real hard, I do the back. That way I don't go over my handlebars. I mean both, but
Most of the time, your most braking power is on the front, but if you're not comfortable with it, you know, back followed by the front.
yeah.
That way, you know. Because as you brake, all your weight shifts to that front tire. So it's got better stopping power. I've got Old Town Road stuck in my head and I hate myself for it. Dang it, Little Nas. Ain't nobody tell me nothing.